Hi everyone, this video is a problem solving part for finding area of a parallelogram. In this video, we will solve two beceri temelli sorular that are published by Ministry of Education in Turkey. Well, let's look at first question. Question says that when the wooden block in the form of a rectangular prism standing on a flat ground, this prism is illuminated by a light source. A shadow shaped like a parallelogram has formed behind the prism as follows. The area of this shadow is 2 times as large as the area of the back surface of the prism in centimeters. Accordingly, how many centimeters does height of the sides of the parallelogram that overlaps the back surface of the prism? Well, look at the picture. As you realize that the length of the back surface of the prism is 30 centimeters. Well, this is 30 centimeter too. Well, question says that how many centimeter does height of the sides of the parallelogram that overlaps the back surface of the prism? The side of overlaps the back surface is this side. So, height of this side is this line segment, because this line segment is perpendicular to this side. So, question says that the area of this shadow is 2 times as large as the area of the back surface of the prism. So, firstly, let's find the area of the back surface. As you realize that back surface is a rectangle like this. Length is 30 centimeter and width is 15 centimeter. So the area of this rectangle equal to length times width. So 30 times 15, which is equal to 450. So question says that the area of this shadow is 2 times as large as the area. So area of the shadow equal to 450 times 2, and the area of the shadow is 900 centimeters square. So, question says that this shadow is a parallelogram. So, area of this shadow equal to height times base. Times base. So, our base is 30 centimeter. And I don't know height, but area is 900 centimeters square. So 900 centimeters square equal to height times 30. So height is 900 divided by 30, and which is equal to 30. So the answer is 30. Let's look at question 2. Question 2 says that the edge length of the table below, whose upper face is in the shape of a parallelogram, will be measured with identical pans that are 10 cm long. The first situation occurs when these pans are placed end to end on the long edge of the table with no space between them. The second situation occurs when it's aligned end to end without leaving any space between two long sides. Accordingly, the area of the upper surface of this table can be equal to which of the following in centimeter? So, the long side of parallelogram measure with pans like this. However, the length of all pans are not equal to this side of parallelogram. The length of all pencil is little bit longer than the long side of a parallelogram, and this is the height of this long side, because this long side and this pencil are perpendicular to each other. So again, the length of pencil are not equal to this height. The length of all pencil a little bit longer than the height. So the question says that the area of upper surface of this table can be equal to which of the followings? Well, firstly, let's assume that the length of the pen placed end to end equal to sides and height. In this situation, we can find the area. So, the area of a parallelogram is height times base. So, in this situation, measures of these all pans is our length. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pans is here. So, one pencil is 10 centimeter long. So, 7 pencil is 70 centimeter long. So, our height is this 4 pencil. So, one pencil is 10 centimeter long. So, this 4 pen is 40 centimeter long. Well, area is base 70 times height 40, and the area is 2800 centimeters square. Well, so, however, in real situation, our height and base is smaller than to measure of the pens. So, our real area should be smaller than to 2800. So, A and B is smaller than to 2800. But 1800 is very small. So the answer is B.